Hello viewers, you are about to watch the latest skirmish at Sierra Golf 1. Please stick around until the end of the video to see some shots recorded through the scope cam. Enjoy watching and let me know what you think about the guy with the pistol and the torch.
Forward, engineers!
Now we can't see where they're going.
Come on! Cover fire! Louis, now! There you go, there you go. Cable. It's now the matter of the time.
What? Where the fuck did that thing go?
That thing. And press the button. Press the button. On.
Go, engineer.
Fire in the hole!
Yeah! Couldn't wait any longer. My baby.
Sometimes enough for me.
Yes.
Good enough.
Lovely.
Don't say so, reload, do it again.
How was your rifle?
Great.
Yeah?
Fucking amazing.
Damn! Fucking amazing. You will.
Literally. You can hear the BD sitting in the grass.
Oh.
Hello.
I just saw a light. Was that?
Good.
There's one behind that barricade up there.
Why is he not feedback?
No. I've been missed.
Yeah, so, but a guy who used to be...
You got him. I think Gregor has covered the bottom, isn't he?
Yeah.
Like properly. Come on guys, come on. Can't believe I have to tell him this.
Where was this?
Fucking happy.
Where's
Good
the
defense.
Where's the respawn? Down.
Come on mate, don't waste your time. Get in. I think the action is over. Baby. Oh, he's dead. Hit. Keep on.